So I have done my eyebrows. Get ready with me. It's just a random get ready with me. I'm just doing my TikTok at the same time, my YouTube filming. So I'm using my Expert Makeup Professional Base Trend It Up. This is from the drugstore, as I normally use. If you haven't seen my Get Ready With Me before, which I don't really do oft, I do now and then. So yeah, I am applying this base, and before I do my makeup, I don't really do makeup every day, but I do it now because I'm looking forward to, I wanted to do some short videos for my YouTube and my TikTok at the same time. Yeah, so that's my base. Now I'm going to go in. I actually ran out of my makeup, this one, which is darker. I have to go to the drugstore, that way I can get my makeup, my color, because the ones I have right now, they are kind of more lighter and they don't really match what I apply normally. So yeah, so this year it's a year of a lot of things that we planning to do. Everybody has plans each and every year. There are some we achieve them, and some we don't really achieve them because it's a matter of time. It's a matter of how your success or how successful you are during your work. And not everybody is lucky to have that success like other people. It takes longer than somebody wish to, but we have to. I mean, we can't force things. Normally we can't force things. We have to go. God gives and God takes. So the thing is, okay, I'm using my baking powder, which I'm mixing it with my foundation. That way I don't have to do the makeup several times. I apply once and it works really well. I love it. I love this metal because it's been working a lot really well and it goes really fast. So that's how I do my makeup. Don't come for me, and I'm not a professional, but I love it the way it comes out. It comes out really good. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, everybody has dreams and way to achieve it. Some achievement, they come, for other people they come quickly, and some people they take years to achieve what somebody wished to. But it's okay. We are not jealousy or frustrated. We go with God's will. And as I say, you have to do what you have to do and be happy on what you have, because you can't force something where it's not going to work, unless you can try something different and see if you can achieve it in another way. So you just try different method of work on and see how you can achieve it. And this is what we're going to do this year. We're going to work hard. Yes, what I'll be doing, I will still be doing my my sewing. I will be still doing my photo shoots with the stuff I saw. I will do some DIY projects, and yeah, I'm sure one day things will work for me and other people as well, because everybody is looking for that moment where you will find yourself having that achievement you have been longing to. especially as a content creator. And by the way, if you are a sponsor, you want to sponsor me with some makeup, you're more than welcome. I would love to work with you, and I will really appreciate. This year I would love to do more on makeup, fashion. So anybody out there who is willing to work with this girl, please, I'll be more than thankful for that. So as you can see, everything is done really good. I have to check on, yeah, it's smooth, it's done. I don't put a lot of makeup. That was it for my foundation. And now I'm going to be using I have to go tomorrow to the drugstore and get some makeup for myself. So the thing is, I'm going to put some contouring a little bit. That way we can get this clearly well. So for my contour, I have this Revlon eyeshadow, which I'm going to use it for contouring a little bit, with going in with this brown. I'm going to contour a little bit on my nose. I will be going on my cheekbone. Just a little bit. I'm not going nowhere really. I'm just wanting to do some contact. And we're going to go up here. So now I'll be blending this out. That way we can have our, don't come for me, and I'm telling you, don't do it. Everybody has to do their things, and they do it. You like my medal? Well, you're more than welcome. When not, I can't stop you from doing your thing. But for my own medal, this one, it works. And actually, for me, it's fast because I'm not that girl who do a lot of makeup on my face, like with 1,000 products like other people use. It's not me. I use just a little bit what I think it's appropriate for me, and then I'm good to go. So that's how I do it. So as you can see, blend it well. And now I'm going to highlight a little bit of my I have it has no name no more because I have it for so long and I can't even remember. It has like 3 colors, I think 4 colors, but yeah, I have the most color that I know I use. And yeah, I'm going to apply that way, and then I blend it better. So that's how I do it. And now blend, blend, blend. I'm going to use this brush. That way it can go first, no time to waste. I'm looking great. I love it. Let me take me some pictures. All them